Okay, now today we are going to draw waterfall. So I will do the sketching first. But this sketching will be very light. We don't draw detail, very light. So the hue do not need to be accurate, very accurate. So, and then this is the waterfall. And then you can feel like rocks, but rocks also the same. You do not need to be so accurate until everything similar, but at least the rock is not circle. A lot of people, they draw the rocks like just circle. So actually rocks, they have different faces. So some of the parts facing the sky, and then some is facing the side. So we must know the difference between the shape. Okay, this one I think maybe I draw too small a shape again. Yep. So you see, actually sometimes do not need to keep on using eraser. It's a waste of time. If this part is darker, then it's no point for you to do the erasing. It can be covered anytime. So what we choose is to draw the guideline only. The rest, the detail, no need to draw, because that one we can do it later. In this picture, actually there is a person, there is a photographer standing near to the tree, but I will take off this photographer. I just want the scene, I don't want that person. You see the flush of the water. Because for the water side, if you draw with pencil line, then sometimes this pencil line will spoil the whole feeling. For the tree also just a guideline, it's not so important. The rest are the trees, and then this one is another rock here, the fourth row from here. Some people, because most of time I do the painting with like wet on wet, overlapping method, but some of them, they thought that I can only do these two techniques. Actually, as an art educator, we do everything. Okay, I cannot specify myself as an artist, just artist. I am actually is not a full-time artist. I'm a part-time artist. My full-time is art educator. So when it comes to art educator, we all must understand and all type of painting and we must try to learn how to appreciate different types of painting methods. So because not everybody will like the similar technique. Some people they will prefer like wet on wet like mine, but some people they like sewing method, they like clean effect, so then they have to learn the other types. But some of the techniques are a bit slow, so some people they don't like the slow method, they prefer faster, then don't do the sewing method. So it depends. So actually it's not saying that we can or we cannot do that, it's only we want or we don't want. Okay, so these are temporarily like this, all water, and I'm going to start color, that's all. I'm not going to darken the line.